friends, Running Kimono here. So I made a video this morning about the 10 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25, the new boosters that showed up last week, if you were so lucky to load them. A little bit of information, they are working in stores. So instead of doing a in-store pickup or curbside pickup or whatever you want to call it, it is a better deal to do it in store with manufacturer coupons. And I'm going to walk through what I did, and I got a couple smart deals today. And yeah, I'm just going to walk through, because the Nexus deal, you cannot do it curbside. They've managed to remove all of the Nexus shampoo where you can't buy it curbside. You can order it online, or you can buy it in store, but you can't order it to pick it up, which I don't know. I guess there's a certain amount of products they won't do for curbside, but some deals to be had and found, and we're gonna just jog through all of this in a quick second. We have also a little Rite Aid deal courtesy of Ravi, and a little bit of Christmas magic right there. And weather report for you, because I know a lot of you enjoy seeing it. We don't have any kitties to show you right now, but it's a snowy one out there. It snowed really bad on the weekend, and the snow is here to stay, so we are gonna get a white Christmas up here in Michigan. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so the first store that we're gonna talk about is Walgreens. Now I'm gonna let you guys know, I did these deals in store. I did not do a curbside pickup. I physically got myself in the store to do the deals and straighten up the camera here. And I was very curious to do the Nexus deal. Now, that 10 off of 30 is in fact working with this guy, this booster. So they're working together. However, they've changed things around very subtly, where some of the deals are not going to be exactly as they used to be before in the past. So it just is what it is. So if you wanted to do these deals, like the 5 off of 25 or the 10 off of 30 with this guy, you got to do it by the 19th, because this is expiring on the 19th, which is Saturday. So what I did for my first deal, guys, was I grabbed 3 of these hairspray products. So I got 1 mousse for $13.79, and then 2 hairsprays. So the total for that was $41.73. Now, I got the cashier to scan this, and then I presented 2 of these $5 coupons from the Retail Me Not of December the 6th, shaving off $10. Plus I also had a digital. And then the 10 off of 30 also magically came off. So I had to pay $16.37 cash out of pocket. Because the deal for this is spend 20, get back 10, it has to be cash. Win, lose, or draw, that's how it is. So I paid that out of pocket, and then I got back $15.31 of Walgreens cash. It's short. I got back $5 for the Santa booster, plus I got back another 10 for spending 20 on Nexus products. However, I spent 40. I should have gotten $20, and that's how it used to be when they had the Balance Rewards program, and I think that was one thing they just changed. So moving forward, I will never do a deal where I'm like, you know, buy double, you get double. No, that's not how it works anymore. So I think that's something they changed in their programming. However, it's not the worst case scenario. I spent $16.37 out of pocket, got back $15.31. So would I have loved to have gotten $25.31? Yes, but it just is what it is. Then I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I got 413 points for this purchase, which is basically like 41 cents. So with the $15.31 of Walgreens cash and the $413 of the Fetch Rewards points, it's like I paid 65 cents for these 3 hair care products. I'm okay with that. So as you can see here, guys, there it is. Now, it occurred to me that because I had a $40 basket and I had a 10 off of 30, which was like a Walgreens IVC, maybe that's why I didn't get back the full, 20,000 points. Maybe not. So I just wanted to throw that out there too. I still basically got my basket for free. If you calculate it all, or 65 cents for 3, I think that's still fantastic. But it could be that. So I'm not going to try this deal anymore because it is a little bit out of pocket. But I just wanted to throw it out there in case people are like, well, you used the 10 off of 30, that's why. And you're probably right, but I'm going to have to try a different deal when they have something like that and just double it and see what happens. But there's just so many different, like, balls in the air right now with the Christmas booster and this and that, blah, 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 you know, just throwing it out there. Possibly I could still double it and get it because this morning online it was showing it would work, but you never really know. If you want to use the 10 off of 30 or the 5 off of 25, I would absolutely recommend to do it in store. It seems like curbside is kind of like, it works sometimes, it doesn't work, but when you can throw in a big manufacturer like this one, it's just the way to do it. And I do apologize, guys, about the confusion. We're all trying to figure out this new program, so there will be some learning curves along the way. Next deal that I did, and I just repeated it because it's such a fantastic deal, with the Domino's. So what you're gonna do, guys, is grab 2 of these gift cards, and it has to be either Domino's or another one called Fanatics or something, and I'm not sure what that is, like some sort of sporting thing. Domino's or Fanatics, look it up in the ad. 2 of these, you're gonna grab them, and you're gonna put $15 on each, so that's 30 bucks. And then you'll get the cashier to put 10 on this, and then when she has to the final pay button or whatever, you'll end up paying 30 out of pocket. So you're getting this guy for free, and then you're paying for these, a really fantastic little stocking stuffer. And for this deal, you have to pay cash. You can't use points to pay this down or register rewards. It must be cash to pay down your 2 gift cards. It's always written in stone if you look at any of their fine print that for gift card deals, you have to pay cash. Guys, so the final deal that I did, I got 3 of the Coke Classics. That's my husband's favorite. And you know, I'm trying to stock up because it's such a great price point for Coke. And then I also got 4 of these. Now for this little basket, I wanted to try to use a 5 off of 25 with a gift card and points to see if that would all work. And it worked out surprisingly for me. So the 3 Cokes is $9.99. And then the 4 Cress is $15.96. So the total for all of that was $25.95. The 5 off of 25 came off. We have a 9 off of 4 for the Crest. That did not come off, but the cashier later just gave me $9 in Walgreens cash, so it wasn't the worst thing. And then I also threw in the $10 gift card that I had from Domino's, so I used this guy to also pay it down. And I just paid down the balance, and then I got back a $5 register reward from this guy. So it wasn't the worst thing. It's like $1.95 for all of this, and I'm totally fine with that. We're working with 4 Cress and 3 things of Coca-Cola. Not a bad little basket. I just wanted to know if you threw in gift cards and points, how would that affect it? It doesn't affect that 5 off of 25 at all. So not a bad little deal today over at Walgreens. And again, guys, I do apologize about the confusion. They're trying to change things around. They're a casino that does not like to lose. So we'll just have to figure out ways around deals and that sort of thing. But even to get like a $50 basket here today and have $15 of savings with the 10 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25, I'm fine with that. Okay guys, so now we're over at Rite Aid, and special shout out and thank you to Ravi. He is the Rite Aid king here on social media, and he has the best deals. And he said something kind of funny in one of his videos that if he wasn't posting deals, I don't think anyone would be doing them. And he is right on the money. I always wait very patiently for his deals, and whatever he's showing, those are the deals that I'm doing because he's really fantastic at Rite Aid deals. I will leave his YouTube page in the notes if you guys want to go follow him, and if you want to get serious about Rite Aid, it's a great store. So the Dove shampoo is buy one, get one 50% off. So the first one will be $4.99, the second one is $2.49. So that's a subtotal of $7.98. Well, we have this little coupon from the Retail Me Not of December the 6th, subtracting one of those. You're paying $3.48 out of pocket. If you have bonus cash on your store card, just go and use that. And then you're getting back $4 of bonus cash for buying 2. Now you can do this twice per store card, so you can grab 4 of them. And then if you have 2 of these coupons, you will be in business for this deal. It makes it a very small money maker. And thank you to Ravi. This is a spectacular deal. And spectacular deal. And Dove is also part of the Unilever family, I believe. So yep, there it is. So you can photograph your receipts to the Fetch Rewards app and get some more points. There is some Dove men's that's on clearance. Unfortunately, I think only one of them is tracking or working with this bonus cash offer. Ravi said that in his video. So just be kind of careful of that. And I believe the Dove men is like $1 more than the regular shampoo. But such a great little deal. Thank you again, Ravi, for that one. Before I take off, just a little mail call. My mom sent me a card today. I just wanted to show her that it was received in the mail, and I appreciate it. What a nice little Christmas tree to get this in the mail today. And also, Bath & Body Works, I had ordered some candles on Candle Day. One of them got lost in the mail, and this was the package. And I had 2 candles that showed up today. Butter Rum Eggnog. Nothing too special there. Merry Mandolin Cookie. This one's fantastic. It actually has orange notes on it, which I was never expecting. It's a beautiful candle. This one, it's like every other Christmas candle. It's not really, you know, blowing my socks off for this one, but just looking at some of the notes, if you're a candle lover, it has spiced eggnog, vanilla bourbon, rich butter, cream, shaved nutmeg, and essential oil. It just smells like a vanilla candle with a little bit of like nutmeg. Like it's nothing. I thought it would be spectacular. Now this Merry Mandolin Cookie, it's really, really nice. Baked mandolin cookies, spiced almond, sweet orange, there it is. Toasted coconut with essential oils. This is a really, like it smells amazing. I think I'm gonna be burning this one tonight. It's really, really nice. A very fresh Christmas scent. It almost smells like amaretto. It's very, very nice. So anyhow, I did post a video a couple days back, guys. I know a lot of us had our orders canceled, and they're either dishing out 20% off with free shipping or a coupon code to get your candles for $9.95, and that will be honored right through to March. So I know that being online with customer service, it's a friggin' pain, but hang on to all of your stuff. Maybe you can get a hold of them in a couple of weeks, and maybe they can work something out for you, especially if your orders got completely canceled, or if you just, you know, the site was crashing on you every 20 seconds. So, but this one is a winner. It's really, really nice. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.